Hello viewers, here we have the project. It's a Wi-Fi access point Linksys AP1300. So let's see how our technician is working on it. You can see they are pulling the cables. It's Cat6 building cables. So here is the switch. We have 8 ports and 4 is with the PoE, another 4 is gigabyte switch. This is the STC router with the fiber. This is the fiber converter to the STC. So here this is the switch, 8 ports, Linksys also. So we have three access point. So one is first floor, second floor, and third floor. So I will let you know all of them one by one. So how we are accessing from the HTC router to our access point AP1300 Linksys branded. It's a very good quality. So let's see one here. It's in the ground floor. So it's Linksys. There is a see belonging the light. So that means net is there. So next one, I will show now. So just second, we will see. This is the next one. So it's in the second floor. So we have one more in the third floor. So guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.